The Samsung Galaxy M30 was announced earlier in 2019. It gets another variant in the form of Galaxy M30S, whose specifications and a phone protection screen were shown last week. The new Android phone is expected to be announced soon, as an Amazon Indian teaser was released a while ago. The new mobile device seems to be more imaging-centric and a bit focused on games with a large battery and 48 megapixel camera. Not much information has been provided, but we know the official launch of the Samsung Galaxy M30S will be happening on September 18. Samsung will of course implement a Super AMOLED display. A new game processor will be used so you can enjoy a powerful gaming experience. A previous leak revealed the Samsung Galaxy M30 has the SM-M37F as the model number. It's just a mid-size smartphone but comes with almost premium specification and features, starting with a 6.4-inch display screen, FHD resolution, Exynos 9610 processor, 64GB or 128GB onboard space, and 4GB or 6GB RAM. The triple rear camera setup is rumored to include a 48 megapixel primary sensor plus 5 MP depth plus 8 MP ultra wide sensor. To finish the imaging system, there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Thanks for watching.